Assalamu alaikum nursery class. Okay students, today I will tell you about a new letter. This is M. Okay, this is M and its sound is M. Its sound is M. Its sound is M. Mop. Okay, this is mop. It is used for cleaning the floor. Mop. Monkey. Monkey is very naughty. Mountain. As you can see the mountain. Mango. Do you like to eat mangoes? I like to eat mangoes. Mouse. Okay, all the sound starts from mop, monkey, mountain, mango, mouse.